y'all married?
Yeah.
I'll do 150 for you guys.
Okay.
It's a 150 Visa card. You spend that any way you like, just for learning about them as a vacation.
Gang, welcome back to the channel, boy. This your boy Carlo Chino. And yes, me and my wife, we going out of town this weekend. We heading down to Orlando. We packing right now and finna head on out and getting everything in order. Sorry, it might be too dark in here. My bad. All right. Yeah. Go ahead and get our bag, load it up in the car, head down to Orlando. Yes, this gonna be fun and great, man. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Make sure y'all hit that like and drop a comment, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get into this YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying? Do some traveling, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Do some traveling, man. But yes, man, we go ahead and get packed up, man. Head on out. You know what I'm saying? Down here to Orlando. I'm just making sure that everything good to go, so we go ahead and hit the road, man. About 5:30 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? So we go ahead and take off. You know what I'm saying? So we see y'all down now. We got the pool rooms, cell, nice little pool.
You only go to 5 feet.
There ain't no trunks, but I know you gonna get in.
Yeah. We can bring our swimsuits.
Huh?
We can bring our swimsuits.
That look like a swimsuit you got on right there. Pool table out here. Pool table. Look like you gotta pay for the damn pool table. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Oh boy, it's like 6, 7 in the morning. In the lobby trying to find something to drink. See if they gonna help me out right quick. Yep. All I want is something to drink. So I'm gonna open at 7 a.m. I'm see how long they're gonna be. That number like 5 or 6 minutes. So see how long they're gonna be. that Gatorade look good as a mug, though. That Gatorade. Damn, dog. Jay got me coke. Took her forever. Yeah.
11 o'clock. Yeah, we dog no more.
Alright.
For the women today in St. Paul, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man. Tell them what's up, man. Tell me what you got going on.
Order, my brother.
Tell me what you got going on, man. Okay, we'll check you out when you come back out, all right?
Definitely send that YouTube channel.
Yep. Okay, that's a bet. Oh, y'all in here shopping for some beach stuff. Oh, right there. There your cups and stuff here, right there. There it is, right there. I told you.
Okay. Come on, you want one? Yeah.
Cheese. Eat together. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? What you looking for?
Say hey, baby. Say hey, good dog.
Yeah.
We got some water somewhere. You getting a snack? Are you good? Dollar Tree down here in Orlando. It's too hot, baby.
Huh?
Like that hot, baby. You know what I mean, we can have something to take back with us on the road. You know what I'm saying? Snack on something on the road. I mean, they got them, you got cheeses. Cheeses, they're about $1. They use $1.25. Got some chip, sun tip, rough chip. Got the cheese bro. My little niece. We can get some chips to take home. You know, I'm snack on while you in the car or something like that. Got Andrea driving back. He's driving back.
I told Mommy you was on that ride.
What's other name? Still gotta go to the what? Liquor store?
Yep.
Still gotta go to the liquor store. You on the cover?
Oh, okay. I'm grown this time. I do me. I'm with my folks.
You with your vote? You on the cover?
I'm on the floor. I know I should put my hat
This your favorite?
on. Yeah, let me have one.
Alright, so my wife wanna know what is this all about, man? Alright, what you got?
So, we've been around since 1945. This is our
first ever care package that we sent. That's what we do for these women and children. Are you familiar with a care package? Healthcare and education for those who cannot afford it.
Correct.
So that's what we do in our care package. So thank you for that, but we are 501c3. So we are government.
Oh, so you got a file 136, so okay.
What is it?
Can't accept cash.
So what y'all, how y'all do it?
Everything is digital. So you can do it. Where you guys visiting from?
Jordan.
Okay, all right.
Good question, guys.
So we ask for online donations and an SSL encryption. So everything you have is completely encrypted by Amazon as well.
So you got something like that, like you can scan it and fill all the information out, like a card or anything?
Go online, yes, but it's not going to be in-person donations. It's going to be online donations.
Okay, okay,
QR code if you want to scan it.
okay. You want to scan it?
Would you want to make an in-person donation?
Yeah, we were trying to hand you $10.
Big bottle, baby. You need a big bottle.
Yeah.
You use more alcohol.
I said, what you getting? Ain't nothing in him but some Stella Rosa.
Oh, look at these.
You know what I'm saying? Got everything you need in him. You looking for the wine, baby? Wine down there, wine. All the wine. Oh, yeah. What we had last night? Shut it home. Hmm. Oh, Andrea, right here. I only got two right now.
Well, it's so drunk.
Three on right now. Got 'em
Oh,
right
they cheaper down here too.
now. What is?
$6.99.
Which one?
What is you doing?
Yeah.
Stop.
I got two big bottles. I got two big bottles.
Might pull.
I really want to say, cuz. I was like, cuz, they got that $5 face.
Mark, that bottle you got.
Mixing with some alcohol.
Throwing it like crazy.
Everybody buying them stuff. Everybody. Ain't now, no.
That Dollar Tree, that what we know.
I ain't seen them. Unless they got some here, I don't check out.
You thought we were playing, man. Look. You wouldn't say.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they say, though. They say, no. Say caution. No feed, no alligators or snakes.
Oh, okay, to the car line. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they do.
Park line. Okay.
Say, do not use charcoal. What's up, y'all? Check it out.
Ain't it cool?
Got some. What's some? Easy seafood.
That thing might not make iron.
It do.
Take time.
Good job, Miss Mojo.
Seafood.
see what that seafood look like. What kind of seafood that is?
And some mussels.
Them muscles.
And crawfish.
Them muscles tap them something on they go to close.
Ooh. You see that crumb right now? Get you a crumb. I see you want to take one. Get one.
But shrimp, no, I'm looking at them muscles, boy.
Oh, you want some? You get some. You gotta tell me something.
Yeah.
Joke start closing up.
Let it start closing.
Yeah, they'll close up. Yeah, they'll close up.
Yeah, vlog, we're back for another day. Heading out. Babe, where we going?
Where the car?
You worrying about where the car at? The car down now. Remember we parked down there last night? I should have moved the car. It's a beautiful day outside. My baby looking luscious. Look at her. Look good, baby. Oh, she looking good, Jack. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. We'll be right back. What's the game?
And press button. Oh, press button.
Okay, let's start.
Is it low enough?
Hurricane Shack. Ooh, everything might come up on you. You heard. Move to your right, then to your left, and watch what happens to the building below. Do you see the walls moving? See the wall moving? Move to your right. Bubble. Great inspiration. I guess you put your hand through it and it come out on the other side. The earth. Yeah, how it feel. It's weird. Get your plate.
Play again to beat that score.
Go ahead and chop it up, baby. Chop it. Slice and dice it, then. Oh yeah, I did it.
What y'all
I
plan for
appreciate it.
tonight?
I'm trying to find an aquarium, man.
Yeah, y'all have tickets already?
Yeah, because we kind of late right now. We're trying to get
The
there.
good thing is your ticket's good all day, so you don't have to rush. You
All right.
Once you go inside, it's to your right of the building.
Okay, so how far is it from here?
Like 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah. What y'all gonna do after? Just chill?
I don't know yet,
It
man.
takes like 45 to an hour in there.
Uh-huh.
If you guys want, y'all want to try a vacation show as a couple,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna give you guys 125 Visa cards since you already bought your tickets.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but since y'all a couple,
Uh-huh.
you get 120. Y'all married?
Yeah.
I'll do 150 for you guys.
Okay.
It's a 150 Visa card. You spend that any way you like, just for learning about them at the vacation show. Okay. Can I give y'all invitations for 2:30? Sure. Thank you guys. Right at that umbrella. And then after that, y'all go to the sea life, then go have fun. And then the one.
They can start at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, your tickets are good all day. So you can just go there right after and you guys still good. Like they take your tickets all day. They do that more like when it's busy season, they try to go straight back to time.
Right.
But it's not busy right now.
So this Sonic Park got all this stuff. Fish.
Look, there's people there and there. That one.
Some more stuff down here.
That's real weird.
You said touch them on the side?
Just on the top. So just those little arms at the top. This part of their skin here and like there. It's very thin, so it's easy for them to get through.
Oh, okay.
Try not yes down.
What it do, gang? Oh, shit, boy, that was a long trip. So we made it back safe and sound. Yeah, we made it back home. Orlando was a good trip, man. I enjoyed myself, me and my wife. So I think this is gonna conclude our vacation vlog. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Both vacations coming soon, man. I appreciate y'all. Love.